Hi folks, my name's Ellie Fisher and I'm a weaver based in Hampshire in the UK. I started my business Elka in 2006 and I now run it with my mum Claudia, who's a natural dyer, my cousin Chloe, who is a designer of fabulous weaving projects, including this one, and my dearest childhood friend Anushka, who is an art historian and wordsmith. The business has a strong focus on sustainability, mental well-being and teaching. This project is great for both beginner and experienced weavers alike, as you can complete it in a few hours or over a few evenings. You can scale it up or down. They make lovely, thoughtful gifts. It's great for stash busting all your little scraps. You can use a wide range of finer yarns, and cardboard weaving is free, simple and eco-friendly. This project has been designed by Chloe, and beside the obvious elements of it being visually very appealing and a really great option for DIY gifting, one of the things I love most about these smaller projects is that they're great for self-regulating if you're feeling stressed or bogged down, as you can complete them over the course of 1 or 2 evenings, and they're like a little mindfulness quick fix. I also love that all you really need is a small piece of card, some yarn scraps, a needle and a pair of scissors. No fancy loom necessary. We really hope you enjoy weaving this project as much as we've enjoyed creating it for you. If this project has taken your fancy and you'd like to take your weaving further, you may be interested in the VIP bundle, in which you'll find our beginner's pattern bundle for Off-Loom Weaving, which will guide you through how to read, weave and create your own patterns. To grab your free pass, simply pause this video and scan the QR code on the screen. Alternatively, you'll find a link in the description of this video. We really hope to see you at Making Zen this 27th to the 31st of October 2025.